Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Apache Junction local and long-distance movers near me. Is it a part of your plans to move to a new house or place of business? Are you in need of a dependable moving company's assistance? Because we're in Apache Junction, you won't have far to go. 3 Movers Professional Movers will make your move as easy as possible. All you have to do is let us take care of everything while you sit back and relax. Why should you engage us as your movers? This is because we are trustworthy, punctual, and cost-effective. Another crucial reason is that we value your needs above anything else. We always put the customer's needs first, and we go out of our way to make sure that they are satisfied with the transfer process. We will do all in our power to get you to your final destination on time and in a pleasant mood. Anyone looking to move may get in touch with us whenever they want. Our service package is also wholly dependable, and we take extra precautions to ensure the safety of our clients and their belongings throughout the relocation process. Besides moving you far distances, we may also relocate you to your new home within the town. Our rates range from $30 to $40 per hour, which is pretty cheap. Furthermore, our drivers are well-versed in the area's terrain. In densely populated areas, we are cautious, so your things will not be broken or misplaced in our care. If you need help putting together a relocation plan, we are here to help. We have a lot of experience dealing with numerous moving challenges, so you can rely on us to provide you with the most exemplary service possible. In addition, residents praise our service. It is possible to find out whether we are trustworthy by asking those who know us. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.